Good morning, everyone. I'm giving a small presentation on XML. Here, how to write a XML program. Here, we have to use less than, question mark, and XML. Version is equal to quotations 1.0. We are writing quotations and closing with question mark and greater than symbol. This is the simplest syntax tag for the XML. Define the version of Prolog. It says that version is 1.0. Here we are writing the comment. Okay, we can write the comment or we cannot, no problem. Whether we can use or not, no problem. Here we are using the less than exclamatory mark. My first XML example with greater than, and this is the comment. We can write or we cannot write. Okay, no problem. Depending upon our wish, we can write the comment or not, no problem. Then coming to the less than, and I'm writing the student data. I'm creating a one folder student data. This is the root element. This is the root element. Okay, from root it's creating the child. Okay, then here student data. Here creating a student means one child student. If you want to create a number of childs, here we can write the student one here. Student 1 is Rama, and next after completing this we can write here student 2, and we can write the name Krishna, like that. Student 3, student 4, student 5, like that. We can write any number of student data. Here in student data, first of all we are coming to the child node. Student. Now we are creating a simple one student data is the root node and student is the child. Here I am opening the tag with the name in capital A-M-E, name, and ending with slash name. I am writing the Rama, R-A-M-A, Rama. This is called as sub element with text data. Then again we are writing the register number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and slashing with register number sub element. This is the sub element of the child. Means we are giving the name of the student is Rama and we are giving the roll number here. Then we are coming to the address sub element for the division. Here we are writing the street Sundarnagar slash street. Okay. Then again we are writing the city Vishakhapatnam slash city state Andhra Pradesh slash state and closing the address. This is the end of the sub element, and slash student. This is the end of the new element, and closing the slash student data. This is the end of the root element. If you run the program, okay, it will show the output is Rama and roll number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and his address is Sundarnagar and Vishakhapatnam and Andhra Pradesh. This is happening. This is the output. Then coming to the another example. For example, I wrote here person. Person is a root node, and here I'm writing the personal information. My name is Geetam. Closing the name, and I'm writing the city. I live in Vizag slash city. Then I'm closing the personal information, and then I'm coming to the hobby. First one, I like reading. Hobbies. This is the second root. I like reading. I like programming. I like placements. Closing the hobby and person. Then we'll get the output here. See, the personal information is my name is Geeta. I live in Vizag. I am reading. I like reading. I like programming. I like placements. Here in example description, if we get less and minus signs appearing before the tags. When we rule the XML document, the minus element indicates that the child elements of the corresponding elements are displayed. The plus element indicates that the child elements are hidden. A space or tab is not allowed in element name as it indicates an error in output. The plus element, child elements are hidden. In minus, child elements of the corresponding elements are displayed. Here, example, creation of multiple. See, I'm writing the employee details and closing the slash employee details. This is the root node and this is the sub element employee. I am writing the employee. Name is Rama, gender is male, age is 30 years, designation is manager, and city I live in Vizag. When run the output, okay, when we run the output, we can see the output. What Rama, he is the male, 30 years, his designation is manager, I live in Vizag. This is the output. Okay. If you want to extend the employees, then here small example, employee details. Here employee Rama, male, 30 years, manager, I live in Vizag city. Close the employee, and then coming to the employee second one. Okay. Here employee 1 we have to write it, and employee 1 close. Then coming to the employee 2, see the female, 31 years, designation PA, designation I live in Vizag, employee, and employee details. Then we run this, it will display the Rama, male, 30 years, manager, I live in Vizag. And second one is the Sita, female, 31 years, PA, I live in Vizag. We'll get it. Okay, this is a simple XML program. And what are the advantages of XML? Simplifies the data exchange procedure. Easy to organize the document. Tags are document elements and they are reusable. XML provides consistency in displaying of information. These are the advantages for the XML. And the rules we have to follow. An XML document must always start with the following declaration. Less than XML question mark XML version is equal to quotations 1.0 question mark less than. All non-empty tags must have an opening and closing tag. The tags should close in a proper way. And next one, closing tags are the same as starting tags. They begin with the less than slash. An empty tag ends with the slash greater than. A tag can have the attributes like employee name is equal to Rama. These are the attributes. The top level tag is the name of the document root. Only one tag has to be present and it is called as root tag or root element. Comments begin with the, if you want to write any comments, less than exclamatory mark and ends with the dash dash. XML is a case sensitive like hobby, like placements, slash. The elements in XML must properly nested. 1, 2, hello, how are you? 1, 2 is the wrong. 1, 2, hello, how are you? First 2, then 1 is the correct. This is the XML rule. Thank you.